Today, we're going to be going over a brew guide you can use at home to get the most out of your Origami Air. The Origami Air is a compact single cup brewer that is made out of durable resin, which means it has excellent heat retention. The two-piece design fits securely into one another to ensure for an even brewing bed. Materials needed are a gooseneck kettle, Origami Air filters, Origami Air, decanter, gram scale, dosing cup, coffee, spoon, and burr grinder. Preheat your gooseneck kettle to 208 degrees Fahrenheit. The SCA recommends that the brewing temperature of water should be between 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Overheating your kettle slightly will allow for expected temperature loss that happens during the brewing process. Place your Origami Air filter into your brewer. We're going to go ahead and rinse our filter with our preheated water. This is going to help ensure that our brewer is preheated and it's at a steady temperature, as well as ensuring that there's no paper flavor in our brew. After rinsing, go ahead and discard your water. Take your dosing cup and we're going to weigh out 25 grams of coffee. Now let's grind our coffee. We're going to grind our coffee to medium coarse setting. If our coffee grind scale is from a 1 to a 10, we're going to grind at a 9. Add your coffee grounds into your brewer and shake the bed to ensure it's even. As we begin pouring, we're going to start our timer to track our brew. We're going to pour in small concentric circles to 50 grams of water. This initial stage is called the bloom. It is an important degassing stage during the brewing process to ensure evenness in the bed and even extraction. After 30 seconds, I'm going to add another 50 grams of water, working in those same small concentric circles. And at our 1 minute mark, I'm going to continue to add 100 gram pulses of water every 30 seconds until I reach my desired end weight of 400 grams. With my starting weight of 25 grams of coffee in and ending weight of 400 grams of water out, this is going to be a coffee to water ratio of 1 to 16. This is determining the strength of my brew. After my brew is finished, I can go ahead and lift my paper filter out and compost my coffee grounds. Then right before serving, I'm going to give my brew a few good stirs. This helps to ensure that all of my layers, known as stratification, are evenly incorporated. Your grind size is going to have the biggest effect on your flavor because it changes the rate of extraction. So if you're finding unpleasant flavors, say it's sour or astringent or lacking overall sweetness, look to fine up your grind size for the next brew. On the other end of extraction, if you're finding that your brews are bitter or monotone or really drying on your palate, look to coarsen up your grind size for the next brew. Overall, we're looking for a sweet cup that displays excellent origin characteristics. The Origami Air makes an excellent addition to your pour-over lineup at home. Not only for the kitchen, but due to its compact size and durability, it makes a wonderful traveling partner, whether it be camping or anywhere else you'd like to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee. Thank you for joining us today. Try this recipe out and let us know what you think.